Welcome people. In this lesson, let us understand about predefined character classes list 2. So basically, I have compiled all the special character classes which are non-printable character. So if you see, \n is called as line break or a new line character, and \t is called as tab character. Apart from these two special characters, we also have \r and \f. So \r is called as carriers return and \f is called as form feed. But we hardly use \r or \f, so I have not included that in this list. And most of the time in special character classes which are non-printable, we use \n and \t. So let us understand this with the help of examples. Now if I just come here, you see that in the last video when we gave \s, it matched all the white space character. So basically this white space was tab or a space, or it can be a new line as well. Okay, now if I just give here \n, you see that it shows 56 matches, right? But it is not able to highlight here. And if you just want to see this new line, what you can do is, suppose you want to see a new line after this angular bracket, then what I can do is I can just give the next character after this new line, which is this angular bracket. So you see that it has highlighted this. Now it has also highlighted this as well, because after this new line again we have this angular bracket. Similarly, say if I just come down and I want to see the new line character here, then what I can do is I can just give the next character. So I'll just give here capital N, and you see that it has highlighted this new line, and this is also highlighted because this capital N is given in my search pattern, and I have also given \n as well, right? So basically new line character or a tab characters are also called as non-printable characters because we cannot print those characters. So let's see how \t works. So if I just give \t, you see that it has highlighted this, right? It has also highlighted this, and it has also highlighted this, this and this, because these are all tabs. Let me give enter and I'll press a tab in my keyboard. Again, if I press a tab in my keyboard, you see that all of these are getting highlighted, right? Because these are all the matching ones if I just give \t. Now you see that in the last video lesson when we gave \s, it captured these tabs also, because \s is white space, right? And \n or \t are part of white space. So if you only want to capture a tab, you can just give \t. If you only want to capture a new line along with some other character, you can just give a new line and then the next character after that new line. Then it will highlight that as well. But if you just want to capture any white space, then you can just give \s, and you see that it has captured everything, right? So it has captured the space also and then a tab also. And if you specifically want to show the new line character, then you have to give \n and followed by a particular character which is ending after this new line character. So basically \n or \t or even \f, that is form feed, or \r, that is carriers return, these are all subsets, or you can say that they are all part of this \s. So you can say that \s is parent and \t or \n or \r or \f are child, right? And these are non-printable characters because you cannot print them, right? So this marks the end of this section on predefined character classes list 2. Thanks for connecting and take care.